Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely open your laptop and avoid any static damage to the components. First, power off your ASUS VIVOBOOK F1504Z and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to prevent any electrical hazards during the battery replacement process. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to damage the clips holding the panel in place. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is typically a rectangular shape and connected to the motherboard with a cable. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard by gently pulling it out. Be careful not to tug too hard, as this could damage the connector. Once disconnected, you can remove the battery by unscrewing any screws that hold it in place. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you if you prefer not to tackle this yourself. After removing the old battery, take your new battery and place it in the same position as the old one. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Then, reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly in place. Before reassembling the laptop, it's wise to test the new battery. Power on your ASUS VIVOBOOK F1504Z and check if it recognizes the new battery. If everything is functioning correctly, you can proceed to reattach the back panel. Align the back panel with the laptop and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. If you're not comfortable with this process, or if you encounter any issues, remember we provide collection and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple and convenient service. You can also receive a quote before any repair work is carried out, ensuring you know the costs up front. Once everything is back in place, power on your laptop one last time to ensure everything is functioning as it should. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced the battery in your ASUS VIVOBOOK F1504Z. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.